How to upload HD quality videos on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then, go to the video you want to upload. After you're in the video that you want to upload, you'll find this kind of screen. In here, click on More Options. After you click on More Options in here, simply you'll find all these options. Click on Allow high quality uploads and make sure it's turned on. And after you do that, you can simply post. Another thing which you can also do is go to your profile. Click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen in your profile. You'll find these options. Click on Settings and Privacy. After you click on Settings and Privacy, scroll down, search for Data Saver, and click on Data Saver. And after you click on Data Saver, simply turn this off, as it will reduce your data consumption, and also video may be at lower resolution, so make sure you turn this off as well. And this is how to upload HD high quality videos on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.